everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Loosely Woven Stamp Set for Ink to Papers May 2019 release. This stamp set was illustrated by Jennifer Campbell and it retails for $16 and comes packaged in our new hold and fold storage case. It is on one 4x6 sheet. The label is already affixed and it has a carrier sheet attached to protect the stamp set. What you would do is just remove the stamp set, place it on an acrylic block or a stamp positioning tool, and start stamping after you ink it up. Alright, so Loosely Woven is a beautiful background stamp set. You can add subtle or standout texture for your cards or tags or other projects. It was inspired by a burlap pattern that you see in burlap material, but you can pair it with other stamps, of course, and just create cards and projects for your loved ones, and it just looks very beautifully stamped. All right, so here is an example of it heat embossed with gold embossing powder on a dark indigo cardstock, a navy cardstock, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful it looks heat embossed. It just has great results. So you can use the full background pattern, or you can cut part of it out. You can die cut pieces of it, or you can use strips for borders or things like that. Lots of different options. Here is an example of it stamped with black ink. Looks very pretty if you stamp it on the center of a card and get that extra border on the outside. Here is another example of it stamped on white cardstock with the green color ink. All right, and then you also have this example with white cardstock with a pink ink. So lots of different options here. You can do an emboss resist where you add ink blending or watercolor to it as well with the heat embossing, and so many cool things you can do. So many ways to incorporate this loosely woven background pattern. So I hope you enjoyed this product introduction video for Loosely Woven, and I hope you have a great time stamping.